Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. I got this microphone from Amazon. It's an Amazon renewed product. It said, thanks to you, this product has a second life. Seriously, I'm only into this because it's cheaper and they said it's like new, so it was a smart decision to, well, save some dollars. So it's a professional condenser microphone. Somehow, I don't know what's supposed to be here, but it was cut and stripped off the box. It said it says unidirectional condenser microphone, excellent reproduction of voice and music professional. Sounds like something that was translated from its original language. You know what that is. So let's get right into unboxing. So guys, honestly, for me, if you want to get stuff on Amazon, just keep an eye out for deals like new or used very good. You're actually getting pretty much a brand new product and you're saving yourself some money. I can't really remember how much I paid for this right now, but I'm going to put it in the video so you guys can see how much savings I could make, which actually was a lot of money to me. It might not be to some of you out there, so let's just quickly get into this. This is the pretty strong and sturdy. So this is a microphone that comes with a stand you can mount on a table, so you don't have to think about other ways to mount your microphone. So it comes in this case. This is a USB. This is a USB port actually. Some of you might not know, but this is I can't remember which standard is this, but this is USB cable and a foam filter. The microphone itself. It's made of metal. It's pretty. It has some good weight to it. That's the microphone in there. You guys can see. Okay, album volume and echo. There's a port to connect. This connects in here. Okay, that's it. Set that aside. Okay, there's the manual. Basically tells you how to put it all together, which I'm gonna do a video on how to set this up. Probably stops to hold the microphone in place. And this is the arm. It's still wrapped. I have to say the springs are pretty strong. It's not as long as I thought it would be, but it's okay. I guess I got a little bit confused when I saw the videos. I'm just confused. I don't know how to put this back the way it came. But surely guys, I'm gonna do a setup video, know how this works, and post it for you guys to see. And finally we have the okay, this is what holds the whole thing to your table, and this stuff, and this assists it in doing that. So that's everything guys. So I'm gonna set this up and give it a try to see the quality of the microphone. And first of all, saying the microphone in there, I'm not a microphone expert by the way, but anyways, just gonna give it a try. I don't want to give any opinions right now because as they say, the taste of the pudding is in the eating. So we're gonna see how this one tastes. So thanks guys for watching. This has been a pretty okay experience for me. So like, share and subscribe, and watch out for the setting up video and testing. Have a good one.